Most seniors don't fall because they're weak. They fall because the tiny balance muscles in the hips, ankles, and core were never trained properly. The good news, you can strengthen them right at home. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 essential balance exercises for seniors that are doctor-approved, safe for beginners, and surprisingly quick to learn. If you're over 60, these movements can literally prevent your next fall, protect your joints, and help you stay confident on your feet. Doctors warn that losing balance is one of the first signs of aging you should never ignore. But the exercises that fix it are easier than most people think. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple routine you can start today. No equipment, no gym, just your home and your body. Let's get started and strengthen your balance from the ground up. Keeping your balance is so important, especially as we get older. Good balance helps prevent falls and keeps you feeling confident and independent. The great news is, you can improve your balance right from the comfort of your own home. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple yet incredibly effective exercises to do just that. Ready? Let's get started. Before we move on, here's something most seniors never hear. Our first exercise strengthens the exact muscle that prevents 70% of household falls. Find a sturdy chair or a countertop to hold onto for support. Now, lift one foot off the ground and try to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. If that feels easy, try letting go of the support. Remember to keep your back straight and your core engaged. After you've held it, gently lower your foot and switch to the other side. Aim to do this 3 times on each leg. This simple move works wonders for your stability. Don't go anywhere. The next move looks simple, but therapists call it the balance lifesaver for a reason. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope, but much safer. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot. Your feet should be in a straight line, almost touching. Take about 10 steps forward like this. Use a wall or a countertop for support if you need it. Once you've taken your steps, turn around and walk back. This exercise really challenges your balance and helps you get used to a narrower base of support, which is fantastic for everyday movements. If your balance has ever felt shaky, stay with me. This next exercise fixes one of the most common hidden weak spots after 60. This one is brilliant, because it mimics an action we do all day, every day. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Now, without using your hands, stand up. Then, slowly and with control, sit back down. Try to do this about 10 times. It builds strength in your legs and core, which are both crucial for maintaining good balance. If you need to, you can start by pushing off with your hands and gradually work your way to doing it hands-free. Exercise number 4 is the side leg raise. Stand behind your chair and hold on for support, keeping your back straight and your toes pointing forward. Slowly lift one leg out to the side. Raise it as high as you can without leaning your upper body. Hold it for a moment and then slowly lower it back down. Let's aim for 10 repetitions on one side before switching to the other. This exercise strengthens the muscles on the outside of your hips, which are key players in keeping you stable when you walk. Stick around. The exercise coming up is the one that rebuilds confidence faster than any other. Seniors love how quickly it works. Our final exercise is the calf raise. This one helps with ankle stability. Again, stand behind your chair for support. With your feet flat on the floor, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you can. Hold that position for a couple of seconds, feeling the stretch in your calf muscles, and then slowly lower your heels back down. Try to do this 10 to 15 times. Strong ankles are your foundation for balance, so this is a really important one. And there you have it, 5 essential balance exercises you can do at home. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate these into your daily routine. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Thank you so much for joining me today. Quick pause. If you're watching this, you're already doing more for your future mobility than most people your age. The next move takes it even further. If these balance exercises helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. This channel empowers seniors and families with healthy aging habits, senior health tips, and nutrition for seniors and positive living. Your support helps more people stay strong, safe, and confident at home.